How to delete cookies for one website only or one particular website. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete the cookies, website cookies. So let's start with the video, guys. So before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the browser. So here I am on Chrome browser. So I just open this website, which is cn.com. So how you can delete it? Just copy this name, copy this website name. Now go to the settings, and now just click on privacy and security option, and here you can see the option called clear browsing data and cookies. Okay, so now what you need to do, okay, from here you can delete the cookies, all cookies for our website. You can select the time range and delete the click on clear cookies or clear data. The data cookies will be deleted. Okay, so if you want to delete the only one website cookie, so we need to go in cookies, data and other site, cookies and other site datas, and just scroll down, and here you can see the option called see all site data and permission. Just click on it, and here you can see your all site data and cookies. So you need to paste this website name which you have copied. So you can see this is my website, and I have these cookies here. Okay, so there is one cookies. I can clear data. Okay, just click on it and again click, and here 11 cookies in usage. Just clear the data, then it is deleted. And there is a simple way you can delete the cookies. Just open the website, and now if you want to delete only cookies for this website only, so what you need to do, just click on this log icon and go here in cookies, and now you can see there is a cookies available here. So you have to just select the website name here. You can delete cookies from here. Okay, done. Just come to the new tab, don't refresh it, just delete this last tab, and you can come to the new tab. Now this website cookies has been deleted. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.